Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today, we're going to focus on spelling and phonics pictures for first grade journeys, lesson 13. And this video is practice A, where we work on words 1 to 12. I also have a practice B, words 13 to 24. But this is practice A. And our anchor text is seasons. For this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write numbers 1 to 12. If you don't have those things, push pause, get your pencil and paper, and write numbers 1 to 12. And when you're finished, come back and push play to rejoin the lesson. Because at the end of our lesson, I'm going to challenge you to get crayons or just your pencil to rainbow write or just write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Your teacher might have given you this worksheet, and if so, make sure you have this. You will need 3 crayons to rainbow write and match the words below. So here's our learning target. I can correctly read and spell first grade words with short vowels and the digraphs PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. Success criteria. That means how will you know you're successful at reading and spelling short vowel words with the digraphs PH, SH, and WH? Well, here are our steps to success. I will. Number 1, read and say each word. Number 2, spell and write each word. Number 3, do my best. And number 4, write each word 3 more times. That's my challenge. All right, words with short vowels A, E, I, O, and U, and PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. Also, we're going to review verb tenses with the S, ES, ED, and ING endings. So the past tense, yesterday, the action is done in the past tense. Sam played blocks. That means he already did it in the past. Or the present, today, plural, 2 or more people. The action happens today and every day, present tense. The children are playing, or also present tense today, singular, 1 person, present tense. The girl plays, or the girl is playing. Number 1, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Make sure you write it for number 1, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. And the digraph is SH, which says shh. Now here's ship in a sentence. He ships the package, which really means he's mailing the package, but he ships the package. He is shipping the package. Or he shipped the passage or the package, package. And that's past tense. So make sure you write the word ship. He ships the package. He is shipping the package. He shipped the package. Number 2 rhymes with ship. Whip. Ship and whip both end in IP. And whip has the WH digraph. Whip. 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 So number 1 is ship. Number 2 is whip. Here's our present tense. She whips the cream. So say the sentence. She whips the cream. She is whipping the cream. Or past tense, she whipped the cream. So make sure you've written ship and whip. Then you can repeat the sentence. She whips the cream. She is whipping the cream. She whipped the cream. All right, number 3. What is the rabbit doing? Hop, hop, H-O-P, hop, H-O-P, hop. Now we're going to put hop in a sentence. The rabbit hops. The rabbit is hopping, and those are both present tense. So you can say the rabbit hops, or you could say the rabbit is hopping. And past tense is the rabbit hopped. So make sure you wrote the word hop. Then you can repeat the sentences. The rabbit hops, the rabbit is hopping, and the rabbit hopped. All you need to do is write the word hop and then just repeat the sentences to practice your present tense and your past tense. Now, number 4 is going to rhyme with hop. Shop. Hop and shop rhyme. So shop has the SH digraph. SH says shh, and then op. Shh, op, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. So after you write the sentence, then you can say these sentences, or write the word, you can say these sentences. You don't need to write them. Present tense, he shops. He is shopping. So after you write the word shop, you can say the sentences, he shops, he is shopping. Past tense, he shopped. So hop and shop, they rhyme. Make sure you've written hop for number 3 and shop for number 4. Number 5. Which, which way should I go? Which. He couldn't decide which way to turn or which way to go. Which has the WH digraph that says w and itch. W, itch, which. WH, ICH. WH, ICH. Which. Which way should I go? Which. What rhymes with which? Rich, R-I-C-H. Which and rich rhyme. Mr. Krabs is rich. Rich, R-I-C-H. Number 7. Fish, SH at the end, the digraph SH. SH says shh. So we have fish, F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Fish. And here is some sentences with the verb fish. It can be a noun, like the fish, or it can be an action, and here it's an action. Present tense, she fishes on the water. She fishes on the water. She is fishing on the water. So make sure you've written the word fish. Then you can repeat the sentences. She fishes on the water, and she is fishing on the water. Past tense, she fished on the water. So fish is the word that you need to spell. Then you can repeat the sentences. She fishes on the water. She is fishing on the water. Or past tense, she fished on the water. All right, what rhymes with fish? Number 8. What is that? Fish and dish. Oh, I have the wrong word. Dish is spelled D-I-S-H. I apologize. Don't look at that word. It's D-I-S-H. So instead of fish, take the F away and write a D. And I apologize, I have the wrong word there. Dish is spelled D-I-S-H. D-I-S-H. Fish and dish. All right, number 9. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. A hen is a female chicken. Hen. H-E-N. What rhymes with hen? When. It has the W-H digraph. W-N. When. Hen and when rhyme. W-H-E-N. When. When am I going to the party? When? Number 11. The dog is rolling down the hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. So what rhymes with hill? Phil. It's the name of I can't remember the name of the groundhog. Phil. Phil. P-H-I-L. Phil. P-H-I-L. And it says, Phil says early spring. Hill and Phil rhyme. Except Phil does not have 2 L's. It just has one. P-H-I-L. Phil. All right, time to check your work. This is a good time to check your work. Number 1, ship, S-H-I-P, ship, and whip, W-H-I-P, ship and whip, rhyme. Number 3, hop, H-O-P, hop. What rhymes with hop? Shop, S-H-O-P, shop. So ship and whip, hop and shop. Number 5, witch, W-H-I-C-H, witch. What rhymes with witch? Rich. So if you need to, make sure you have all 6 words here. If you need to, push pause, fix any words, and then when you're ready, push play. Number 7, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. What rhymes with fish? Dish. Make sure you wrote this one correctly because I had it wrong on my PowerPoint. D-I-S-H. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. Fish and dish rhyme. Number 9, hen. H-E-N. Hen. What rhymes with hen? When. Number 10, when. W-H-E-N. When. So hen and when. Number 11, hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. What rhymes with hill? Fill. P-H-I-L. Fill. So if you need to make any corrections for words 7 to 12, push pause, make your corrections, and when you're finished making sure all 12 words are spelled correctly, push play. So let's reflect on our learning target. I can correctly read and spell first grade words with short vowels and the digraphs PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I was able to read, write, and spell all the words easily and correctly. Or would you give yourself a 3? I was able to read, write, and spell most of the words correctly. Or would you give yourself a 2? I was able to read, write, and spell some of the words correctly. Or 1, I was not able to read, write, and spell any of the words correctly. How do you think you did? 4, 3, 2, or 1? All right, it's the end of the lesson. Time to challenge yourself. You've already written all your 12 spelling words. Now it's time to get your crayons or your pencil to rainbow write or just write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, boys and girls, for practicing the spelling words with me. Have a great day.